Jasmy, at the time of this recording, continues to see higher prices, and we continue to hold above a horizontal line of support above the 0.01305. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the additive structures that have been playing out here on the Jasmy chart, and above all give you my next breakout target areas and key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 1 hour chart, from the lows we made on the 30th of September, you can see that we have been seeing higher prices, and that movement to the upside has been obeying the additive structures, where you can see we first picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave, then we got a bit of a slight pullback in the formation of a second wave, continued to see higher prices in the formation of these wave 3 in a move that has now given us a break above resistance above the 0.01305, flipping that key area back into support. And to just show you the minimum target areas in the formation of these wave 3, I can use the fib extension, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the fibs to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave. And also doing, the first target area that I was paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1 above the 0.1305, an area that we fully maximized. And you can see we continued to push a little bit higher, making a high above the 0.01344. And there's a very high chance that the high for this wave 3 is in, even though we didn't quite fully push to the fib level 1.618, which would be the most ideal target area. And because of that reason, I have two possible scenarios. And the first one is that as long as we continue holding above the 0.01305, which is a horizontal line of support, there's a very high chance that we can get one more push to the upside, break above the highs we made yesterday, continue pushing higher and fully maximize the fib level 1.618. And the moment that plays out, then we can say we have a high in place in the formation of that wave 3 and expect a short-term pullback in the formation of that wave 4. Alternatively, in case we get a pullback in the next coming hours, losing horizontal line, our horizontal line of support above the 0.01305, flipping that key area back into resistance, then that will be a clear indication that the wave 4 has started and the wave 3 high is in. And the moment that plays out, the area that I will pay attention to can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that second wave all the way to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 3 yesterday. And also doing, my area of support will be between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 0.01297 and the 0.01282, which is that yellow target area. And within that yellow target area, I will expect Jasmy to continue holding within that area and start a reversal to the upper side in the next coming days, in a move that should easily give us a mega bounce in the formation of these wave 5, completing that 5 wave structure to the upside from the lows we made on the 30th of September. And also remember that the moment we get that 5 wave structure to the upside, then that will be enough confirmation on the daily chart that we have a low in place in the formation of these larger wave 2 in yellow, which I was expecting is going to give us a low within this blue target area between the 0.01159 and the 0.01557. And the moment we get a low in place for that second wave, then we should start another bounce to the upside in the formation of these wave 3. So on the short term, on the lower time frames, we need to see that 5 wave structure to confirm to us that the low for this larger wave 2 is in and the wave 3 is just getting started. So for now, we need to be a little bit patient, continue paying attention to horizontal lines of supports and also Fibonacci key areas of support, because that is what is going to give us that next confirmation on the next direction of the market. So for now, let us be patient, and I will ensure that you stay up to date.